Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to remove the front driver's side door panel on a 2013 Chevy Tahoe. This video applies to Chevy Tahoes made from 2007 all the way up to 2014. Now I will try to record this video as quickly as possible because it's quite cold outside and I just have to do this fast, but I will show you the location of each screw and how to remove it. You can see how my Tahoe looks. This handle is completely broken, and this is actually the most common problem on these Tahoes. This always happens, especially on the fleet ones, and if you're changing your door panel, most likely you have a cracked handle underneath. Okay, so to start you want to pop out this plastic cover just underneath the handle. Just use a flat screwdriver or something like this just to pretty much pry it out. Okay, this is the cover, and behind it you will have two 10mm screws which are holding the door panel. So remove those two. Okay, so these are the screws, and next thing you want to do, just behind this door handle there is also a small black cover. There's like a small hole here, so you can pry it out as well. Okay, this is the piece, and behind it there is also a 10mm screw, so remove that one. Okay, next thing you want to do, you want to pop out this piece which regulates the window and door locks. So just also pry it underneath, and it's gonna just pop out. Okay, and there is a couple of plugs on the back which you have to disconnect, so each of them has like a small clip here on the top. You can probably see it. Okay, so just press onto that and pull it out. I'll have to use both of my hands to do it. Okay, so that's it. Then you will want to pull this pin out. So to remove it, you just want to pull it straight up. Okay, so you have to remove it so you can pretty much raise the panel over this pin that this thing screws on. Next thing, you want to pop out this plastic piece here. Same thing, using your flat screwdriver or something like me. Okay, as you can see, it has a couple of clips. Okay, one got stuck here for me, but I'll just remove it and put it onto this plastic pin. I didn't crack it, so it's all good. So yeah, if this happens to you, you can just pull this thing out and then just install it back onto this plastic clip, and it's good to go. Now be careful and don't try to pry out the door handle because it is held by two screws from the inside. So you first have to remove the panel and then unscrew the door handle. Okay, so once you have removed everything I showed you, now you can start prying out the door panels. There's lots of like plastic clips all around holding it, so you want to use something like flat screwdriver or some kind of a bar to pry it out. So you can pretty much start from this side. Okay, I'll try to record this. I'm supposed to use both of my hands. Okay. See? So you pretty much just go all around until you get all of these clips out and loose. Okay, and once you have it nice and loose, you can just pretty much leave the panel up and it's gonna be off. Just be careful, your door handle is still connected here, as you can see. So the next step is to disconnect this cable from the door handle. And I will show you now these plastic clips as well, which you have to pop out. So these are these white ones. There's a couple of them on each side. They are in these holes right here. So pretty much what you have to do, you just have to pry it out. Okay, so first to remove this cable, I'm gonna show you now. Here you have this like a black pin inside, so you want to use like a small pliers and you want to push onto these two black clips on each side, and then while you hold it pushed, you'll want to pull the cable out. So I'm gonna try to record it. I will probably have to use both of my hands while doing this, because this is quite sensitive and you have to be careful not to break it. Yes, I was able to do it. You see, now I can get this part out. When I have this part out, now I can just remove it from the door handle. So pretty much you have to push onto these two to be able to pull this pin out, and then you just can remove this little ball, and that's it. Okay, at this point you have your door panel down, and now to remove the door handle, there are just two 7mm screws on the inside of the door panel. So one is here and one is right here. So what you want to do, remove those two, and then you'll be able to remove the door handle as well, and that's pretty much it. Okay, and that's it. Once you remove the door handle, you can install all these parts to your new door panel and just do everything the same, just the reverse order, and yeah, you'll be done. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.